In today's lesson, I am going to show you how to fix EMEET SmartCam video and audio not synced on Mac.
Show me how, Jake.
My video and audio are not synced. There is a video delay, so it appears that the audio is going too fast. We will fix this by downloading a software that will delay the audio so that it matches the video. On Google, search Download OBS Mac. Click the first search result. Click Download OBS Studio. OBS stands for Open Broadcaster Software. Click the Apple option to download. Wait for download to finish. Mine took 8 minutes. Double-click Completed Download. Drag OBS to Applications. Then open up Finder. Click Applications. Click OBS. Then click Open. Once opened, click on the 3 vertical dots in the Audio Mixer EMEET Audio section. Then click Advanced Audio Properties. Under EMEET Audio Sync Offset, type in 150. Then click Close. To record a new video, click Start Recording. My video and audio are now synced. Click Stop Recording to stop. All OBS videos are saved in your home folders under Movies. To access your home folder, open up Finder. Under the Finder menu, click Preferences. Click the sidebar and check the box that's the home folder named your username to be added to your favorites. Then go to Finder and click your home folder under Favorites. Next, click Movies folder. You can now drag and drop your OBS movie to desktop and you're done. My video and audio are now synced. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider giving a like or subscribing. It really helps. If you would like to learn how to send in ripped money, click the video on screen now.